Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to file a dispute on Venmo. If you're looking for an inside app or interface video, this is not the video for you. So keep that in mind. So first, of course, you would like to have the Venmo downloaded into your phone. If you don't have, you'll need to download it and log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, you'll need to go and create an account. Of course, if you want to do it also in their website, all you need to do, just type as an example, dispute or file a dispute on Venmo, and simply you'll find the first link here on how to open disputes with Venmo, of course, from the help of Venmo. Just click on it, and as you can see, they will show you the steps on opening a dispute. So, as an example, Venmo debit card transactions and online purchases cannot be disputed or reported as unauthorized in Venmo app. So, if you are unable to dispute a specific transaction in the app, please contact our support team. To file a dispute, you can dispute most type of Venmo transactions in the Venmo app. And to help with disputes, please make sure to answer every question with, of course, as much detail as possible. So you'll need to go to the Me tab on your Venmo, then select the transaction that you want to dispute. Tap the button Need Help question mark, then select the statement that best describe your situation. To include other transactions, click on Add More, and after selecting your transactions, tap on Add, click on Next after that. Then, of course, you can add any additional informations, then tap on Submit Issue. And if prompt, of course, you can start or reset your Venmo password. And that's you basically how to open or file a dispute on Venmo. Very easy. As you can see, Venmo credit card transaction must be disputed with Synchrony Bank. So you can learn more about disputing a Venmo credit card transaction from this article's example. If you're interested, you can pause the video and read this by your own to see what's in there. So that's going to be for this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.